What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but I'm already wearing what I'm about to unbox. So, hold on. Yeah, I'm already wearing what I'm about to unbox. So, yeah. These earrings. They're so freaking beautiful. The only thing that I don't like is, okay, so you see how this placement with this earring is? I absolutely love that, and I think it looks very, very cute, right? This one on this side is too close, which that's nothing I can do about that, but yeah. When I got my second hole done, she pierced it too close. So, yeah, that's just something I gotta deal with. But yeah, I love the placement of these though. These are my earrings. They're so nice and so beautiful. I don't know, I'm in that stage where I like fine jewelry now and not like beauty supply store jewelry. I don't know, I feel like when you, okay, so I'm 24, right? I feel like when you get to be a certain age, certain shit to you is just like, I don't want that no more, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I was like, I want fine jewelry, so I got me some fine jewelry. Okay, I have my Pandora bracelet, which I got this when I was 16, and then I have this set. I got this from my mom when I was 21. I have my promise ring. This is a ring that I bought this from Kay's. I bought this from Kay's because I wanted a promise ring for myself, and I made a bunch of promises to myself that I intend to keep in 2023. Because 2022, I got very, very depressed, and I lost myself. You know what I'm saying? I really did. I lost myself in 2022. Yeah, I lost weight and all of that. Still trying to get my weight back from not eating in 2022. So yeah, I recommend every woman get a promise ring for themselves and write down a bunch of promises that they want to keep or that they intend to keep, especially for the new year. And yeah, this one is for me, right? And then I went on Kay's website and I was like, you know what? I want some earrings. So these are from my mom. The smaller ones, they're from my mom. She got me these for Christmas. I think she got these at Zales. I'm not sure. And then I got these the same place I got the ring from. I got it from Kay's. Now, I did not expect these to be this big. I thought they were on the website. They didn't look this big. They looked like this, right? Or at least I thought they was going to look like this, right? Because I was like, I want some small studs. But when I opened that box, baby, this was what came in. And I was like, okay, I fuck with it. So, yeah. Now, let me get the paper. Hold on. Okay, so these are blue, white, topaz earrings in sterling silver. And I think they are absolutely freaking gorgeous. And I absolutely love them. I got it from... I'm trying to show y'all the paper without showing my address. Okay, there we go. Kay Jewelers. I got it from Kay Jewelers. And I bought them online because they were having a sale, like a after Christmas sale. You know how when you go to stores and stuff like that, they have an after Christmas sale. They had after Christmas sale, and I got a really good deal on these. I think these were like 200 or something like that. And yeah, they're so pretty. I absolutely love them. My mama hate her. I showed these to my mama, and she was like, "Are those real?" And I said, "Yeah." She was like, "No, they not." Girl, don't play with me. Don't play with me now. I don't wear costume jewelry anymore. No, I'm playing. I will damn sure go to the beauty supply store and buy me a pair of hoops. But I don't know. I like fine jewelry now. I'm a fine jewelry girl. You know what I'm saying? And this is the box that came in. It was so cute. I did an unboxing on my TikTok, actually, if you want to see. But the box is very nice, and it came like that. One was right here and one was right here. Kay Jewelers, very, very cute. Absolutely love it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep my boxes. I'm gonna keep my boxes. And then this is the one that the ring came in. It came just like that. Kyla, will you keep these promises to yourself? Yes, I will. No, I'm playing. Okay. But yeah, so that was my unboxing. I absolutely love all of my jewelry. I think I'm becoming a fine jewelry type of gal, and I absolutely love it. I love this for me. I don't know. I enjoy spoiling myself because who's about to? You know what I'm saying? I'm single, so it's like, if not me, who? My mama, of course, because you know my mama, she got me this, and my studs. But like, if not me, who? Besides me and my mama. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that was what I got. Nice cute little bag to carry around. Not to carry around, but yeah, keep it nice, keep it safe, and keep it cute. And did you know, okay, so you can go to any fine jewelry store and you can get your jewelry cleaned. So I just got this one cleaned about yesterday, I believe. And it's free too. Like, it's free. So you can get your jewelry cleaned at any fine jewelry store, and it's free. So yeah, I highly recommend that, especially if you got your first piece of fine jewelry and you know, it gets dirty and stuff like that. You can definitely get them clean. But yeah, these are really, really cute blue topaz. Absolutely love them. And yeah, guys, so that was my unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And I will see y'all. Oh, follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.